Hey, welcome to Project Money Tree. My name's Ed Parada, and if you're here, you're probably looking for a better way to make money, build income online, and create more freedom without guessing your way through it. That's exactly what this channel is about. Project Money Tree is focused on building real income streams, especially online, using practical methods, simple tools, and step-by-step strategies that everyday people can actually follow. This is not about hype, get-rich-quick promises, or fake guru nonsense. It's about learning how to plant income seeds that can grow over time. Things like online business ideas, affiliate marketing, digital products, lead generation, automation, and other ways to create income that is not tied only to trading your time for money. On this channel, I'll be sharing things like beginner-friendly breakdowns, real-world examples, tools and software reviews, business ideas, strategy videos, lessons from what works and what does not work anymore. Some videos will help you get started from scratch. Some will help you move faster, and some will help you avoid expensive mistakes. If you're someone who wants to build something real, learn by doing, and grow income step by step, you're in the right place. So if that sounds like what you've been looking for, hit the subscribe button and check out the videos on this channel. Welcome to Project Money Tree. Let's build something that grows together.